Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Quick Review and Unboxing. This time I will talk about the 1:72 scale Sukhoi Su-11 from A model. The kit is from the year 2009 and is a little bit overpriced for its quality. Let's check it out. The moldings are made from a soft light grey plastic. Panel lines could be a little bit deeper and rivets are also missing. It will be necessary to rescribe it and create new rivets with help of blueprints. The kit lacks details of the wheel wells, the landing gear, jet exhaust nozzle, and details of the cockpit are also simplified. The best option is to study photographs and recreate details from scratch. It strongly reminds me of the old Kovozavody Prostio or smear kits from the 80s. The kit includes two semi-active radar-guided K8 air-to-air missiles and two large fuel tanks. Unfortunately, the cockpit canopy is molded from one piece. It will be necessary to cut it. The waterslide decals look good, but I am not familiar with A model decals. Hope for the best, they will be fine. On the first page of the instruction manual is a short history of the aircraft in English and in Russian language, and on the bottom side is a colorist for humble paints. The manual includes 9 work steps. Every step has its own explanation how to paint each detail. It's quite good readable and easy to follow. Best is to study it a couple of times. You can easily miss something. On the last page of the instruction manual is a paint scheme and decal placement guide. Okay, that's enough for today. More information I will discuss in the actual build. See you guys!